Hey everybody, it's me Ivy. So if you notice, there's a Halloween sign, false side, and a pride flag. I'll explain that. So I got the urge not to decorate fully for fall, but I cleaned my room and I cleaned my 9 cubes storage thing. Um, it was so dusty, gross, and I cleaned everything and I put, displayed some of my like vampire or Halloween or fall books out so it looks nice. I just wanted to do it. Don't judge. And put some little bit of fall stuff. Anyways, then the flag. Yesterday we went to um, Oak Harbor um, to a pig fest, um, barbecue, doing barbecuing, um, like a competition kind of thing. Um, See who taste the people that do barbecue, and you go and you put I think dollars or so in the pig to kind of like pay to have a lunch. So you have a roll, a pulled pork, a potato salad, or you can have coleslaw, or you can have one or the other, or both. And that's your like lunch. Um, and there's vendors selling stuff. Anyway, one of the vendors was doing, you know, handing out flags and some, goodies. So me and me and my dad have one, and my mom has the sticker. Anyways, it was we celebrate my dad's birthday yesterday. His birthday's today, and he also retired. So we celebrate both of those yesterday because that's the only day my mom has off. Um, so we did that, had a great time. My body's sore, my legs are like killing me. Inside's like, oh my god. Anyways, that's that. No Shazam. Anyways, I'm gonna do my Birchbox, but I'm gonna show you this is not the right box design. I think they ran out of the design box they had for August. I'm so cannot think straight right now. So this is February's design box. I think they ran out of the August design. So yeah, I'm kind of disappointed. Like, you could have said, "Hey Ivy, sorry if you get a wrong box, but it's your stuff is still in it. It's just that we ran out or whatever." Anyways, the packaging was really horrid. Anyways, I get this. That's cool. And I'm like, why is this flimsy? It's one of those, if your 90s baby gives the thumbs up emoji or whatever, if you remember doing these. Because, oh my god, throwback. Anyways, this is what I got. Anyways, I had to fix this. Sorry, it's pink. I had to fix the tissue paper because it was really off and it had some tears. Come on. You try to do something good, and anyways. Ooh, excuse me there. Anyways, I'm just gonna show you, and I'm just kind of not happy with this month's box. So here it goes. Anyways, I have this living proof yeah, proof. Perfect hair day, 5-in-1 styling treatment. I think this will go with my mom or my sister, but this is a really good size for traveling because wow, you get a lot of product. Okay, next is this BB cream Golden Glow. I had this in my last box, but they changed the packaging. It's sleek, except that weird texture. So I think I'll give this a go again. I didn't try the other one, but I'll try this one. One thing I'm excited to get is the. I'm seriously like getting a lot of the products. Is the Comforting Zone, essential face wash, gentle foam cleanser. Like, come at me! I love your product. Comfort Zone. I love your product. I really do. So, this is heavy. Ooh. I like the scent of that. It's very, like, clean and kind of a little floral. Anyways, then I got this Lip Plumper Hydro Lip Treatment. I'm like, I don't need my lips plump, but it's like, oh, hydration. Yes, need that. I always have chapstick, but that's okay. Can't have any lip products. So, yeah, that's that. And then next, I have this LOC eyeshadow stick in Express Me. Yeah. And it's really pretty color. Oh, this is definitely a fall color. Trust me, I try to open it. Yay! Ooh, that's so pretty. I swear to God, I tried to open it the other time when I got this and it wouldn't budge. Anyways, I picked this out for my box. This is a watermelon hydrating. Well, that too. Energized sheet mask, moisturizing, smoothing, all skin types, normal to oily. Normal to dry. I'm actually combination, but whatever. Anyways, it shows what to do and stuff. But woo, yes, please. So this is what I'm talking about. Like, come on, tissue paper like ripped. So whatever. So anyways, I hope you like this interesting video. And like what I got in my box. Hit and misses. But that's okay. I like to share my products that I don't really need or anything to my mom and my sister. So yeah. Comment, like, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more videos coming up. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, guys.